Shivshakti, a trusted name in precision packaging solutions, offers a state-of-the-art Asafetida powder, Hing Filling Machine equipped with a Servo Auger filler for high-accuracy dosing and efficient operation. Specially designed for handling fine and pungent powders like Hing, this machine ensures dust-free filling and consistent weight control, essential for maintaining product quality and minimizing wastage. The servo-driven auger system provides precise speed and torque control, allowing smooth operation across a range of container sizes and fill volumes. Constructed with robust stainless steel for hygiene and durability, the machine integrates user-friendly controls, quick-change tooling, and a compact footprint suitable for both medium and large-scale production setups. Backed by Shivshakti Matchtaker's commitment to innovation and after-sales support, this Hing Filling Machine is ideal for spice manufacturers seeking automation, reliability, and enhanced productivity.